Augmented reality and virtual reality are distinct technologies offering immersive experiences. AR integrates virtual elements into the real world, enhancing our environment, while VR creates entirely simulated environments that users can interact with. In gaming, VR transports users to simulated worlds for immersive experiences, while AR supplements real-world environments by overlaying digital elements, encouraging interaction with the surroundings. In education, AR enriches learning by overlaying information onto physical objects, making it interactive, whereas VR creates simulated environments for hands-on experiences, allowing exploration of subjects in depth. Beyond gaming and education, AR finds applications in retail, offering virtual try-on experiences, while VR is employed in healthcare for simulations and therapies, showcasing how both technologies revolutionize diverse industries through immersive and engaging experiences.